Hi, this is Pradeep, and in today's blog we are going to discuss about the document type. I know you are familiar with the document type in SAP, but today we are going to discuss more about document type or the document type CO, which is newly introduced or in S4 HANA, the CO postings in S4 HANA. So we will focus on this one. Just for your reference purpose, I will just give you some idea about the document type. So as we know, the document types in SAP are defined to distinguish your different business transactions. For example, if I am posting one document related to GL posting, so you will find a document type is there, which is you will find in the document header. If I am going to post one document related to customer invoice from FI, then you will find a document type as TR. If it is, let's say, integrated document customer invoice which is integrated with your logistic, then you will find the document type RV. So that is these are the list of document types you will find under your OBA7 transaction code, and it is not new in SAP because in ECC also we have the list of document types are there. So basically by using the document type we are going to control one business transaction. We are going to control the different document numbers also. For example, how we will differentiate one document which is related to customer or which is related to vendor, if it is related to asset or it is related to your material issue. So that is why we have different document types are there, and you will find different document types, different number range in SAP system. So whatever I explained, it's a general, it is nothing special in S4. In ECC also you will find these document types under your transaction code OBA7, and this is one S4 system, S4 1909 system. Here also the same thing we have, it's continued. You can see here the product details. If you'll go to here, it is 1909 system, which is the latest one. So you will find the list of document types here. Okay, so you can navigate that one also. So this is the list of document types here. What up to this, whatever I explained is the old concept, nothing new here. But you can see here one document type is available here, that is secondary cost. Okay, so for example, it's a normal posting, then you will find that document type. Let's say I was talking about, let's say it's a customer invoice. So you can see here customer invoice DR. If it is, let's say, billing document related to integration, so you will find this document type RV. If it is GL postings, so you will find here it's normal document types, and under this document types you can see all your standard account types are activated. So as we are doing the reconciliation, or GL is linked with all your submodules, so that is why all account types it is there. So this is the old concept. Now what is the use of this new document type which is there in your S4 system exclusively? This one is there in the exclusive system, and here you can see if you go to this document type detailed control settings, you can see here we are not using any other account types here. We are not using asset, customer, vendor, material. We are using here GL and secondary cost. So only two account types are activated, and of course if new document type is there, so definitely you have to create a number range for this document type. So we will focus today on this new document type. First of all, lot of maximum people, they think that this is related to CO posting, because when if you check any SAP document, like they have mentioned here, it's a document type for CO, document type for posting. But please note that document type is not linked anyhow with a controlling transaction. For example, if I supposed to do a controlling reposting, then I have one business transaction is there, right? So I have a business transaction like there, RKU1 or RKU3. If I'm going to do the assessment, then I have a business transaction RKIU is there. So the list of business transactions which was earlier there, the concept is still it is there. So you will find all your business transactions related to your controlling. So here it is. So all the business transactions for every documents related to controlling, it is as it is there. Then what is the need of this document type? So it's clear that this particular document type is not going to replace your CO business transaction. So this document type is something related to finance, because always document type is linked with your finance. So we will see what is the use of this document type. Concept point of view, it is the same. That means we are going to have a specific business transaction or business documents related to finance. That is why this document type is there. But as it is, you can see clearly mentioning it is related to controlling. So somehow it is linked with my controlling transactions or something related to that. Now if I will go to a company code and I will see here all the list of document types. So simply I will check my FB03, which is my I will not specify here any document type. Okay, so this is my leading ledger. Even if I will remove the ledger, also I will get the some documents related to non-leading ledgers also. So let's run it. I just executed all my documents here. So in this list you can see multiple documents are there. So in this list I can see some GL transactions are there. In this list I can see here some related to some other transactions like your asset, your customers, your vendors. So standard document types are available. Plus in this list I can see some documents related to this newly introduced document type, which is your controlling documents, and I can see a specific number series also assigned to this one. So you can see here these two series, these documents are generated or it is there in my document list. First of all, maybe you are thinking we don't like for controlling document whether the document number is there or not. First of all, two concepts are here. When you are posting a transaction, so this is my transactions related to GL postings. GL postings without any cost object. So that means it's a normal FI posting, something I'm going to debit and something I'm going to credit, or multiple debits, credits like this. In this case, in ECC you used to get the document in BSEC, and here as you know already I have some videos are there, blogs are there, that is the AC docket table, universal journal. So this document, let's say the document number is 10,000 the document number. So this document you are going to have in your universal journal or it is there in your AC docket table. If you are new to AC docket or universal journal, already have blogs are there, you already the videos are there, please go through that one. So this 10,000 document you will find here, plus this 10,000 document also you will find in your entry view also. So we have two views, one is your GL view and one is your entry view. So this 10,000 document also you will find here in my BSEC, which is your entry view. So I'm talking about S4 HANA posting. Okay, now with this GL posting, if I'm going to add one cost object, let's say I'm going to add one cost center here. So this is one, just for example I'm taking cost center here, but this one is applicable to any cost object. So if I'm going to post it with one cost object, let's say I will add here the cost center something P101 or 1001, something cost center added here. Now in ECC, when you will post a transaction with cost object, you must have two documents, one your FI document and one your controlling document. So in FB03 you will get your FI document, and in case B5 you will get a controlling document for your business transaction coin. So that I am not going to go into that detail, already videos are there, you can check that. But here if you are going to add any cost object in your normal FI posting, so here the transaction flow is FI to CO. That means you are using the primary cost element for your posting. In fact here the primary cost element you are not going to create, the same GA masters having the cost element category, and you are going to post that. So in that case, which document type it is assigned? It's a normal posting with cost object. So as usual, general posting, your document type will be SA, which is your GL posting. This is not a new concept here. But this particular document, as I told, 10,000 will be there in your AC docket, plus it will be there in your BSEG also in S4 HANA, but it is not going to update in your COAP because we are not going to maintain COAP table. This COAP table already converted into as your view table or CDS view. So if you are new to CTS view, please refer my the video series. Also I will give the links in the description so that you can check those areas also. Now, how many documents will be there here? It will be only one document. If any GL posting SA, that means your normal GL posting, and with the cost object, then you will find here the document is going to post in the system both in AC doc and your BSEC. So with only one document, that is your FI document. What about the controlling document? So in this case, controlling document will not be generated. You will get one artificial number, and technically we are saying that cryptic document. So we have a concept here in S4, that is a cryptic document. For controlling document, there will be a cryptic document. The reason is here we will not get any controlling document because controlling, as you know, already merged with your finance, or CO merged with your management accounting, merged with here with your AC docket table. So in AC docket table, you will get that artificial number. Just for your quick reference, I'm going to show you one document, and it's not a GL document, it's not a controlling document, it's a GL document. So let's take this document. Suppose I will take this document, it's a GL posting. So here I can see which document type. It's a general document, so document type SA. I can see here some cost centers are there. You can see some one cost center is there. Okay, and if I'm going to post this document, here also the cost center is there. Now in ECC you will find two documents, one for FI document and one for controlling document, because cost object is added here. But if I will go to here in this document, the original document is your finance document. This is the document, and here in finance you are going to get only one document. You can see the document number 10004 generated, and for controlling, something technical number is generated, not the original document. Or simply I can say, if document is generated for business transaction coin, you will not find the controlling document. Here we have the cryptic document is there. So this is one artificial document number is there. Okay, and if I will go to my AC docket table 10004, I'm going to get all the information. But before going to table, let me show you first this one in the cost center. Then we will find out how it is going to update in the controlling report. Then we will come to this new document type CO. So let's see this one in the report. So I will go to the cost center report. GL report I'm not going, you are familiar with that, you can check that also. Yeah, so I will add here the cost center 2000 and we will check this entry. Ignore this minus entries. Okay, so let me add the business transaction, maybe you will get the idea. This is the document, coin business transaction. So for this coin business transaction, I can see here no document is there, but my cost center report updated as usual. Okay, so for this one, if I will try to search my source document, you try this one in ECC document posting, you will find your controlling document is your source document, KSB5 document. But if I will try to search this document, it will redirect to your finance document. Same document 10004. So as per my example, so this one, let me correct this document as per this system screen. So it is 10004, and this one is also 10004. Next, where we are going to get this 10004. So where I'm going to get this document? So my cost center report is updated as usual. So here we don't have a CO document separately. It's a normal GL posting. Okay, so the document type is SA. Document type is SA. It's a GL posting, and I have both entry view as well as my GL view is there. This particular document you are going to get in your, I'm repeatedly saying it is there both in the BSEC as well as AC docket, because in future when we will come to the controlling document, there we will compare some difference you are going to get. So let's see this one in the table. First let's see this one there in your BSEC, which is still there in S4. So I will take the company code, I will take the document number 10004, and you can see here this document is there. So here we have 2 line entries, debit and 1 credit. So this table it's updated. So 10004, which is document type, your general document type SA, it is there in your both entry view, GL view, that means BSEC and AC doc. Now come to our universal journal table or AC docket table. So this is now the primary table. One triple 04. Earlier your cost object lines should update in your COEP, but now you can see in AC doc I am going to get both your debit credits. I am going to get here the controlling information, cost object informations, everything. Clearly I can see from the business transaction I can identify, that means my cost informations are also available in this document, right? So I can see the business transaction coin, and if I will go to the details, I am going to get all the informations. So it is my header information is there, and the particular document type should be there, the GL document type, my currency information, the cost center is there, my account number is there, and the amounts are there, and I am searching the document type here. So document type is GL document types, so it's there. And for controlling separately, no document generated, but this CO Wellner field is important field, we have not dropped that field. So this controlling document or the artificial document, cryptic document, still it is there, because in future again we will come to this one, you will find a document number here. But right now for controlling, it's artificial number or cryptic number. You can see this one, your controlling document generated as your artificial number, and it is part of your finance line item, finance document. So you can see here. So this is the document we are discussing, and for your controlling document number A some zeros and 400, it is available in my AC docket table as part of your finance information. So basically we are saying that when you are going to post a finance document, if cost object is added, then separately no document will be generated for controlling, but my controlling informations or any cost object informations are part of your universal journal. Fine. Now coming to this new document type, the list of document types are there in controlling, where it is going to where at what situation we are going to use this document. First of all, this CO document type no user is going to post. Like we posted this document, or user is going to post this document. For controlling documents or the CO document in FI, no user is going to post. So that means for CO postings, for document type, for document type CO, definitely there is no entry view. Entry view is not there means BSEC table is not going to update, that we will verify also. So no entry view, only you will get the GL view. So it will not posted by any user, it will be auto generated, because here the biggest, like we are going to get the relief here, we are not going to do the manual reconciliation of your FI and CO. Whenever you are going to post something or you are going to do something within controlling, you are going to get a FI document. So we will take one couple of examples and we will see this one. This one is data flow from FI to CO. With FI posting, we added the cost object and document is there in your AC doc. This one document, controlling document, we are going to get a reverse flow. That means from in ECC, the flow is, it is FI to CO. That means you are going to post a FI document with cost object, and separately you are going to get 2 documents. If you are going to do something within controlling, then there is no impact in the FI. But in S4 HANA, it's both. That means it will FI to CO plus it is CO to FI also. When you are going to post a general transaction, just like this 10004 document, the document type will be SA. When there will be controlling to FI, which is system generated, then you are going to get the CO document. This is FI document, FI document type, but it is the CO document type. So that is why for every posting in the controlling, posting means no manual activity, right? So every posting in controlling, SAP or system generate a document, a unique document number for every transaction within controlling. System is going to generate one document that we are saying that it's a controlling document. Of course, for this you have to go for the configurations, you have to define your business transactions, you have to define your mapping variant, you have to do your document type. So all the settings are required in backend, but user point of view, when system user is going to do some controlling activities. So we will see what are the activities when controlling, where you are going to get a FI document with your CO document. Okay, and of course if document type will be there, then number range will be there. So in my configurations, I created a number range definitely with this 2000 series. So that is why there are a couple of documents are available with this document type CO. So in this list, my document list, I can search here the document type as CO. Now exclusively now I am searching the documents related to controlling or related to FI document generated with reference to controlling. And here is the list. In which situation this controlling documents will be generated? FI document or general documents will like it's clear. That means if we will conclude if there will be any posting, finance document or logistic document, and if cost object is there, then controlling document will not be there. Okay, so I just show you one FI document, but same is applicable for your logistic also. For example, if I will take one in my previous document 10004 document, so the source document was FI document, and with reference to that something related to cost object updated. I'm sorry, maybe little system is little bit slow. Okay, so let's take one document. This is the document, and in this document also some cost objects are there. Okay, and normally this document is how generated. This is the integration document. So that means if you are going to do something within your logistics, so original document is your logistic document. With reference to that, you are going to get FI document and controlling document, because here you can see some cost object is there. So cost center is there or production order is there, whatever. So you will get the normal document, both FI and CO in your ACC. But here you will not get the controlling document. You will get only the FI document, and for your controlling document you are going to get cryptic document or the artificial document. So let's have a look into that also. Right, so you can see here materializer is activated, so that is also not there. So that is again another concept, materializer, leave it. So you can see the controlling document for that cost object, also cryptic document like my previous example. But in this blog we are discussing about the CO document type. So let me search the CO document type here. Okay, so multiple documents are there. So I'm going to, and all the document you can see it's a separate document series. So that is 20,000 series. I created the number range, and this is the FI documents are generated. So I'm going to pick the first document. First of all, when you will take a document type related to normal posting, that is your SA, or any document type, you will find the controlling document as cryptic document. Just now we have seen two documents, one from direct finance posting and one from the logistic posting. But when you will find a document type related to controlling, you will find here source document is a controlling document. So that means if it is a normal posting, then in that case your controlling document will be artificial number or cryptic document. But here in case of CO document type, you will find your, so maybe you will get confused here. Let me take the controlling document. So in case of first transaction, your CO document controlling document number as your artificial number or cryptic document. So simply you can say for this controlling document will not be generated. But if it is document type CO, then in that case your source document is your controlling document. So in this case you will get the original document for your controlling. So you will find one actual document number for your CO document, and that document you can also verify in your case B5. What are the business transactions? Except coin, all the business transaction will come under this category, because just now we have seen for controlling or the coin business transaction, you are not going to get the actual document. Okay, so this is my first document. This document, this is a FI document. If I will first, you will categorize. You can see here it is only there in your GL view. It is not there in your entry view. See here, this is the entry view. This is the GL view. I don't have the entry view. Where this document is generated, this particular document type is controlling document. How I got this document? Through the T code KB11N, and as you know, this is, and you can see here, this is your general ledger view. That means you are going to get, you will not find this document in your BSIC. How I got this document? Through the reposting KB11N. So we did the reposting, and that is why this document is generated. Okay, important thing here is this document is generated with reference to one controlling document. So if here you will see the original document, you will find the controlling document or your CO activity CO document as your source document. So this is my controlling document. This is nothing but your case B5. So with reference to this one, I got the document number. With reference to the controlling document 1, I got the document number 20,000. Fine. Now let's find out this. So here this one I did the reposting within cost center. At a time I'm going to check both the documents. First of all, let's find out whether this document is there in the BSEG or not. Our previous document, once again I'm sorry, system is a little bit slow or connectivity slow, I don't know, but we are getting some slow response. Yeah, so here we will find out the new document type, which is your 20,000. It's not there. So that means this new document type, so all the documents related to your controlling document or document type CO, you will not find in the entry view, or you will not find in your BSIC. It is only available in the SC doc. Now at a time we will check 3 documents, because in my example I have used here so far 3 documents. One document we have seen here, or just now we checked 10004. Another documents also in between we have seen, that is 49,000, something related to logistic transactions. That also I'm going to include here. So one is 10004, another one 49,000, and another one 20,000. How we got this 20,000? Due to the reposting, due to the transaction code KB11N, and we will verify that in the cost center also, but let's see in the table first. When you will check your document number 10004, how this document generated, it is posted something by user in the finance system, and that is why this document is generated. And you can see here the document is generated with reference a finance document. That finance document is 10004. So that's why no update related to controlling here. Only controlling informations like your cost center, your business transactions, all these things are updated, but separately we don't have a document. So this is how we can reduce the data footprint. When I check the document number 49,000, which is generated with a logistic document, again here also we don't have a separate controlling document, but you can see here what is the reference document. This is a MATDoc document, or it is a logistic document. So with reference to logistic document, we got this document, or simply you can say it is one integrated document. But when you are going to check your document number 20,000, which is the document we are discussing today, document type controlling, this document is generated with reference to one controlling document. So with reference to controlling document 1, this document is generated. So the special nature of this document, if you'll see, any document related to document type CO will always have a GL view, no entry view. That means it will not be there in your BSEC. It will be there only in the AC docket. This particular document only there with a document type CO, and always you will find this document with reference to one source document as your controlling document. In this example, the document number 1. Now I am going to check both the documents in the cost center report, and we will differentiate this document. So this is the cost center we are using 2000 in my example. See, when I posted this document, coin business transaction, the original document is my FI document. This is my FI document, already we discussed. But when I'm checking the document type related to RKIB, okay, so which is like we transferred some cost from here to another here, but this is not the example we are discussing. We are discussing 20,000 document. So better I will go to my production group, and there I will find out. It's reposting. RKIB is your month end allocation, so that is also one of the categories, but it will not suit to my example. Okay, so now here you can see we are discussing about the document number, which is your 20,000, and how we got this document number 20,000. First you can verify here, this FI document is generated with reference to controlling document. Okay, and what is the date? The posting date is 22nd Feb. So 22nd Feb, check the controlling document. So I can see here the controlling document RK1 22nd Feb. Check the source document. Last time we have seen the source document was FI document, but here you can see the source document is your controlling document. So with reference to this controlling document 1, that document is generated. So the same is there also. So when you are going to do some controlling activity, or like this, the controlling activity, you are going to get the FI document. Here also you will go to the what happened to system. So with reference to this controlling document 1, this FI document is generated. With reference to controlling document, this FI document is generated. Here multiple documents are there. So All are, you can see this 20,000 and this 22001 both are CO documents only, but this is generated with reference to a controlling document. So same we verified in the table with reference to document number 1, we got this 20,000 document. With same also we verified in the report, cost center report, okay, with reference to controlling document. You can see the FI document is generated. What are the other scenarios where you are going to get the controlling document, or it is only applicable when it is only reposting? RK1 means it's reposting. No, it is not only with reposting. Any month-end allocations if you are going to do, in that case also you will get the same concept, or the same concept is applicable. Okay, so let me go to the again the CO document. So just randomly I'm going to pick one more document. Let's say it is this one. This is one FI document, and this document also same nature. It is there with document type CO. This one is also only having the GL posting, right? It is not there in the BSEC. It is only there in the AC doc A. And how we got this document? With KSU5. So we know very well KSU5 is nothing but your assessment. So when you are going to do the month-end allocation with assessment, system is going to generate the FI document with reference to the CO. So if we'll check this document, document number 20002, let me add this one also in the list. Okay, so let me only take this document, otherwise it is too much documents, maybe you will get confused. So let me remove those documents which are already we discussed. 20002. So all the business transactions related to controlling, that means RKIU. So when you are going to do RKIU, again for this also configurations required. So when you are going to do the month-end allocations RKIU, so system is going to generate the internal document within controlling, like this document number 6. So let's find out the document number 6 here. RKIU. Yeah, this one. Okay, so here we did the cost allocation. That means from one cost center I transfer the cost to production cost center. So here are the minus entries, and of course you will get the here is the plus entry, and you will get the minus entries in the respective cost center. Let's go to here. This document is not new in the ECC. I mean in SAP, because in ECC also we have the same concept is there. So we are going to transfer the cost from service cost center to production cost center. New concept is when you are going to do this activity within controlling, your FI document is also generated, or simply we can say FI CO auto reconciled. We are not going to do anything. So here you can see the minus entries with my service cost center and the plus entries with production cost center. Minus entries with service cost center, plus entries with production cost center, right? So you can check here service cost center canteen and plus entries with the production cost center. This is the controlling document with reference to CO document, document number 6. This FI document is generated. This FI document is generated. This one. Definitely your posting date in both cases it will be same. Like this document we executed because it's a month-end document. So let me add the date, I'll check the date. So this is, you can see 29th Feb. So this document is generated on 29th Feb. Automatically the FI document is also generated 29th Feb. This document is also generated 29th Feb, right? Check here. What is the minus entry? Minus entry is your A101. Same is there in the here also. The plus entries with production cost center P101. P101. Got it? So whatever we are going to do in the controlling, you are going to get the FI document, and this is the FI document generated with reference to a controlling document. So in this case the source document is 6. So we verified the business transaction RKU1, we verified the business transaction RKIU. I'm just showing you some sample documents, but this concept is applicable all the business transactions except the coin. When you are going to do something within controlling, you are going to get this one. Let's take one more document. Document number 20004. This is what document, let's see. This particular document is generated with reference to, let me find out here. Again, it is the same nature. You can see here the document is generated with reference to something, that is your document type CO, and here I did a order settlement. KO88 is your order settlement. Again, it is also GL view. Let's find out what type of document it is, the source document. So all I am listing here, all documents I am showing the document type CO in FI with reference to some controlling activity. So here again it is GL view. So the original document is, I don't know, let me check. Yeah, so this is one document we did, or I did a COPA settlement in the account based COPA with reference to the document number 1. This particular document is generated. So that means if you are going to do something cost assessment, you are going to do some order assessment, and it's again it's a month and date. It's a month and date, you can see. So when you are going to do something month end allocations from profitability analysis point of view, you are going to get the CO document also. You are going to get this CO document type in your FI. Okay, so this document, where you will find? You will find this document in the COPA report. So I'm taking here account based COPA, which is again new concept in S4 HANA. So we are looking for the document number 101. You can see here. In this case, it's not cryptic document. The document whatever I have shown here, document number 1 or the document number 6, or in this case the document number 204. Let me add this one also in the table. Two 0004. This is the document. So with reference to the business transaction KOAO, this particular document is generated, document number 101. So with reference to this document number 101, this FI document generated, which is your document type CO. Okay, so try to get the difference between cryptic document and actual document. Sometimes your CO document is generated as, or you're in controlling the documents as cryptic document, but whatever the document I'm showing here, the document type CO, in that case most of the CO documents are actual document, because here, as I told, the data flow is from CO to FI. If it is CO to FI, then document type CO. In this category we have seen one reposting entry, that is your RKU1. Then we have checked one assessment entry, RKIU. Just now we have seen one KOA entry, that is your order settlement. So in that case also your FI document generated with a document type. The same concept also applicable in case of when you are going to do the cost calculation, actual costing also. So let me take one document from that category. I'm just searching one document from my document list, FI document list. So let me take here one document. Let's say what document I will take. Okay, let's take this document, I guess. Okay, let me go to the relationship browser and we will see this complete history. Let me expand everything. So here our FI document or your controlling document is your 20006. This is your document type CO. But for this, first you have to understand the complete process, then only you will get the idea here. Because this is the new document generated automatically in the system due to some other activities. What I did here, first I created one production order. For this, definitely I should have my cost configuration and all, everything should be there. So let me show you that. This is one production order. created my logistic system. Okay, so here as I did a multi-level costing, multiple orders are there. So we are looking this order for this. This is my production order. That also you can see my cost calculation, standard cost should be there, actual cost calculation should be there, and this is my please bear with me, system is little bit slow, or connectivity issue is there maybe. Yeah, this is the cost calculated, actual cost it's calculated, and I confirm the order here. Yeah, so this order number 40, last the 40. So this is the order created, then confirm the order. So here what I did, I created one order for 36 units, or this one is generated with reference to the main order. Then I confirmed with 28 because here I did the work in progress calculation. So for this order, then I issued the material, that is your material consumption. This is not the CO document what we are referring. This is the this is a logistic document. So we issued the material here, that is 420 kg of material we issued with reference to that production order, and due to that one accounting document is generated 49001 49009. But this is not your CO document. This is one integrated document. So when you are going to do the previous one, what I shown you, that was 49,000, what was related to your production cost center, this is related to production order. So here also you will not get your controlling document as per the general concept, because the cost is flowing from your logistic document, it's not within controlling. So original document is your logistic document. Original document is your logistic document. For this again only FI document is generated, and for controlling you will get the cryptic document as per the old concept. You can see here controlling cryptic document. So this is your integrated document. Stock, cost, consumption, material consumption is generated. Plus I added here some activity, this one. This is a controlling document. So here we transferred the cost from cost center to activity, we transfer to the order. So we can see here the cost is transferred to order. This is my hours and this is my cost. So some cost I transferred from my activity to order for the cost calculation point of view. Now when you are going to do this activity in ECC, you will not find any FI impact for this one, because it is purely related to your management accounting. But now you can see you will get this document 201, this document. When you are going to this activity, you are going to get this FI document, and that is why this document is generated. Once again let's see this controlling document. So what is the document number? 201. Okay, so 7,500 something cost we transferred from internally, because this is your controlling, this is also your controlling. So cost is transferred from cost center to another production order. So these are the internal CO activities, but as a result of reconciliation you are going to get document number 2006. So see here 7,500 minus entry. Where is this? First of all check this one. Again it is also document type CO. Then we did it's a confirmation. So we did the production order confirmation. Again this is there in the GL view. We don't have the entry view for this one. Okay, and the minus entry should be one cost object. So we transfer the cost to from cost center to plus entry to the production order, or we transfer this 1 hours to the production order we transferred, and that is why FI document is generated. So you just, if you imagine your KSB5 document, in every aspect we checked the CO document or the KSB5 document is your original document, and with reference to that we are getting this FI document CO. So that is why this document is known as document CO postings, but it is not actually a CO document, it's a FI document. Okay, so if you check this document 2006 in your table, So this is also FI document generated 20006, and how we got this document? With reference to 201, and 201 is what we did from cost center to we transfer the cost to the production order. Okay, so I hope you got some clarity about this new document type CO. So don't think like it is a CO document, it's a purely FI document, and that is why it is there in my FI document list. But thing is that whenever you are going to do something within controlling, so in this example we have seen one reposting, one month end allocation, one COPA settlement, and the production order also. So within controlling, if you are going to do something, then automatically data flow, that means FI CO to FI, this document is generated, and the document you will find only in the AC docket because it is only there in the GL view. Entry view is document is not there. I hope you got the clarity. Any questions related to this one, you can add in the comments. So you can any questions like any query related to this particular scenario, you can add in the comments. I will happy to answer your queries as soon as possible. Thank you very much for watching this video.